Have you ever wondered what happens when beloved characters take on new roles? As we eagerly anticipate the release of Toy Story 5, there's a buzz in the air, literally. Before diving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give that like button a friendly tap. The Toy Story saga, which began in 1995, has captured hearts across generations. With its fifth installment on the horizon, fans are curious about the direction the story will take. While specifics remain under wraps, hints from Tim Allen suggest that Buzz Lightyear may step into the spotlight, potentially overshadowing Woody. Pixar has confirmed that Toy Story 5 is in the works, with Andrew Stanton at the helm as director and writer. The original voices of Tom Hanks and Tim Allen are returning, ensuring that the magic of the characters remains intact. However, the plot details are still shrouded in mystery, leaving fans speculating about what lies ahead. In a recent interview, Tim Allen teased that Jessie might find herself in a precarious situation, prompting Buzz to take charge. He described Buzz's journey as filled with intrigue, hinting at a deeper connection between the characters. This could mean that Buzz will have to rise to the occasion, showcasing his bravery and loyalty. Throughout the series, Buzz and Jessie's relationship has evolved, especially since their first encounter in Toy Story 2. If Jessie is indeed in trouble, it's likely that Buzz will do everything in his power to rescue her. This shift could mirror the dynamic explored in Toy Story 4, where Woody and Bo Peep's relationship took center stage. In Toy Story 4, Buzz played a more supportive role, allowing Woody to shine talking and fame. However, with Woody's story reaching a conclusion, it's time for Buzz to reclaim his place in the narrative. The audience is ready for a fresh perspective, and Buzz's character deserves a chance to lead. Tim Allen has hinted that Buzz's storyline in Toy Story 5 will be compelling and linked to Jessie's predicament. And while the exact nature of her trouble remains a mystery, it's clear that their bond will be tested. Fans are left to wonder how this will unfold and what challenges await them. As we speculate about the plot, it's fun to think about the classic Toy Story scenarios. Remember when Woody accidentally sent Buzz flying out the window? If Jessie gets lost, it's likely that Buzz will embark on a mission to find her, just like old times. So as we await more news about Toy Story 5, let's keep our fingers crossed for an exciting adventure. After all, if Buzz can save Jessie, maybe he'll finally get the chance to say to infinity and beyond without Woody stealing the spotlight. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,